And we pick up with road-related matters because a Manchester family, this particular one, the Manchester police say no charges have been laid on the driver of a garbage truck that struck and killed a 9-year-old schoolgirl in Mandeville recently. The child's family, however, is questioning the outcome of the probe. Details in this update.
The crash claimed the life of 9-year-old Amoya Moore, a 4th-grade student of Villa Road Primary School. Police say the incident happened on December 9 as the child was exiting Bonita Heights onto Bonita Crescent at the same time the garbage truck was leaving the area. Amoya was struck by the unit and reportedly killed on the spot. Investigators say despite reports from residents who gathered at the scene, there is no evidence to suggest the driver was at fault. Police also note that although at least one alleged eyewitness promised to give a formal statement, this has not been done. However, Amoya's mother, Samantha Biggs, is dissatisfied with the outcome of the probe. Speaking with the TVJ News, she says justice must be served.
I was promised publicly from Rhoda Crawford a home visit, and to this day I have not seen or heard from no one. As a mother, I am highly dissatisfied and disappointed in the system, and I refuse to sit quiet and watch the death of my child go down without justice. She was not only my child, she was a child of the community members of Bonita Heights. And as a community, we are all suffering in grief for the loss of my child. I need answers.
Antonia Atkinson, TVJ News.